dog is here. That is the Chicago dog, and that is some green relish. How do you feel about that?
It's very green.
Yeah,
it's
I know.
Like Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles green. Hey guys, welcome back to Professional Weekers YouTube channel. Today we're at the Magic Kingdom in Walt Disney World Resort, and it is July 2nd. That means that the July 4th holiday is just around the corner, and we're going to go around and check out all the different July 4th foods and different treats that they have throughout the park. It's going to be a whole lot of fun, so stick around. Let's go.
Let's go. Alright guys, like I said, we're here at Magic Kingdom. Super excited. We always love this park. We are going to be trying all of the, we're going to be trying all of the July treats. So I think it's more than just the 4th of July. So we're going to get some ice cream. We're going to maybe try a hot dog. Oh yeah, should be a good time. So let's go. Alright guys, our first stop is going to be into the Plaza ice cream parlor. Super excited. They have a few treats and we're going to grab one. So let's go. Alright guys, so here we are. We're walking into the ice cream parlor now. Here's some of the things that we got. Lewis is thinking maybe the banana boom. Maybe I'm going to get the ice cream sundae. I don't know. We got some options. You excited for some ice cream, Dave?
I'm super excited.
Yeah.
Ice cream with Pop Rocks.
Yeah.
Boom.
Yeah, last time we had Pop
Fireworks.
Rocks. Remember we were at Space 220 and the drink?
Yeah, that was fun. It's like getting punched in the face.
Yeah, that was fun. It's like getting punched in the face. Yeah, okay, accurate. Here's another item that we are not going to get, but if you're interested in the 4th of July stuff, there you go. Looks good though. Alright guys, so I don't think we've actually been in the Plaza before in terms of ordering ice cream, at least here on the channel, right? So, Lewis is actually going to wait in line to get our ice cream. However though, even though the sign out here says that they have the banana boom, apparently they don't have it. So they had it up until today. So, that's right, we're going to get the ice cream sandwich up to show you guys. Should be so good. Alright, honey.
Alright, so we got the 4th of July ice cream sandwich. So red velvet ice cream cake. Super bummed they didn't have the banana boom.
I know.
And it sounds like such a great 4th of July thing. It's got fireworks and all that stuff.
Apparently that has to be the 50th and not for the not for the 4th.
They canceled it yesterday. Like, come on.
Yeah. One day late.
Yeah. So, anyways, I mean, at least I'm excited to try this.
Yeah, you like red velvet cake.
Yeah, always excited to try anything that's holiday flavor. I mean, this is like brand new, so it's cool. Let's give it a shot. You trying it right now?
Sure.
Alright, we're gonna try it right now.
Yep. So it's just vanilla ice cream, right? On the inside, vanilla bean ice cream.
Yeah, vanilla ice cream and 2 cookies. That's big.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's good. Ice cream. It's very vanilla bean, flavored. Red velvet. The cookies are nice and moist.
Yeah.
I think it's a winner.
Alright. 1 out of 10. How would you rank it?
Alright, it's good. It's not the best thing I've ever had, but it's good. I give it a 7.
Okay. Not for price, not for anything else, just for that thing itself, just the ice cream and the cookie.
I mean, price, I think it's one of the cheaper options around here.
Yeah.
$7?
Yep. Okay, so you're dripping, so eat it.
Alright, you need to try them.
Okay. Oops, I was almost wearing that.
Well, then at least you'd be, dressed for the holidays. Good,
ice cream's cold. Soft for a hard ice cream. FYI, it does leave your thumbs a little.
Yeah, I got that going on too.
Colored. Anyway, it's good. The ice cream's good. Cookies. So I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10. I think I've had better cookies and cookies.
I kind of waffled on the 6 out of 10.
Yeah. So. Yeah.
6 or 7.
But
yeah.
for $6, can't beat it.
All right, so we'll finish eating this and we'll go get something else.
Okay. Let's go.
All right. But first, napkins.
Yes, please. One thing to point out about the sandwich, though, there's only sprinkles on one side. So, don't think you're going to get extra sprinkles. You're only going to get on one side.
Sprinkles are too expensive. Inflation.
I know. Seriously, Disney. Alright guys, so we just finished getting our ice cream at the Plaza ice cream parlor. So we're going to jump over to Casey's corner right here and grab that hot dog. So, yeah. Let's go try that. Alright guys, our order is ready, so we're going to go grab our hot dog. We got number 4. Casey's is probably like Lewis's favorite place to come get a snack or to have dinner. He does love himself a hot dog. Alright guys, our hot dog is here. That is the Chicago dog, and that is some green relish. How do you feel about that?
It's very green.
Yeah, I
it's
know.
Like Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles green.
Right? So this is the all-beef Chicago hot dog, and in that is the traditional Chicago green relish, pickles, marinated diced tomatoes, served on a potato bun with hard fries.
I do think that hot dogs are definitely something that you would traditionally eat on 4th of July, but I'm not sure what the Chicago dog necessarily has to do with
Yeah, I'm not too
4th
sure.
of July either.
But it's like their July dog, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They kind of like maybe they could have got like that. You know, I don't know, when you're a kid, you remember like the different colored Heinz ketchup.
Yeah.
Could have done like red, white, blue ketchup. That would have been something neat.
How would you make white ketchup?
Mayonnaise.
Alright, we're done. We're done. I hate mayonnaise. Alright, I don't know how you're gonna eat that because I did not grab a fork or a knife, so we're gonna pick it up and try it.
Every other Chicago dog that I've ever seen has like big slices of pickles and tomatoes too that you could just kind of pick the pickles off or the tomatoes off.
This you cannot. So
I do not like tomatoes, so I did not know they were diced.
Yeah, so even though I literally read that to you though before we ordered it.
Did you?
I did.
That's good though.
Even though you don't like tomatoes.
I didn't get a whole lot of them in that bite, but I mean the hot dog's super flavorful. You know, Casey's hot dogs are always delicious. The bun, I think it's a potato bread bun. I think it's just Heinz mustard, but you know, I mean, all together, it all goes really well. Very good.
Good. All right, what would you rate it?
I think I gotta go back. This is probably like an 8.
Okay.
If it didn't have the tomatoes would probably be like a 9. But so I think I have to take the ice cream cookie back down to a 6.
Ooh, all right,
This is
shots
definitely
fired.
better than ice cream cookie.
Yeah.
I like savory more than sweet anyway. So. All right, you have to try it.
All right, enjoy. I'll take a bite, but I don't think I want a whole hot dog.
All right, so I'm just eating everything.
Yeah.
You gave me 3/4 of the cookie.
Bun's a little soggy, but that's okay.
Now it's a way to not eat any of the tomatoes.
Yeah. Add some tomatoes. It is. Think of it like a pico minus the cilantro.
Right.
It's like onions and tomatoes chopped up. The relish. It's like a sweet relish. That's good though. I typically don't like sweet relish. I don't like sweet pickles, but this is, you know, savory and sweet. And potatoey, which is really good.
Yeah, but I do know that at least for 4th of July, this is a new hot dog that came out just yesterday, July 1st, for the holidays. So it's only available till August. All the treats we're gonna try today came out on July 1st through August 1st. So only available for the month of July.
FYI, it's a messy hot dog. So don't get mustard on your shirt because that is so.
All right.
Alright, so pro tip, definitely eat that hot dog with a fork and a knife. Poor Lewis. Got it all over the place. I did too, so it's fair.
At least this one's kind of dark. That's a good.
What? What did you say?
At least this shirt's kind of dark.
Yeah.
I almost wore my trophy husband's shirt. That would have been a ruin. Thank you for recording that.
You're welcome. Yeah, highly recommend wearing either a shirt that you don't care about or using a fork. So, alright guys, heading over to Columbia Harbor House. We're gonna go get a next treat. Yeah, and that's, I think, the last one. We didn't see anything extra, so, but we'll keep looking. Maybe we'll find like a hidden gem somewhere. You know, honestly, I really expected maybe a little bit more of a hoopla for the 4th of July in this section of the park, mainly because it literally is, you know,
what do they call those bunting things?
Yeah, some bunting, or something, but I don't know, maybe we're just here early, so.
It's also kind of disappointing too that the 4th of July fireworks only happen on the 3rd and the 4th.
Right.
Like today's Saturday, it would be nice to have them.
Yeah, so we're missing it by one day.
They should do Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. They should do all 4 days.
Literally, should do all 4 days. So, alright, so we're at Columbia Harbor House. We're gonna order something and we'll check back in a second. Alright guys, we actually have not covered Columbia Harbor House on the vlog before. So maybe we'll do that. Maybe we'll do like a quick service series 2. Might be a little bit more affordable for you.
Yeah, well that's what I was thinking too. We could have done like Casey's or something like that. 'Cause I love Casey's.
Yeah.
We just don't do any of the quick service. I mean, we eat the quick services, but we haven't done an official video on it.
Review. So comment down below if you think that's something we should do. No, why not? Alright guys, here we have it. The 4th of July exclusive. That is the berry shortcake. So shortcake, which is probably Lewis's favorite dessert. Whipped cream and sprinkles and some berries. So.
Yeah, so it's strawberries and blueberries. No white berries.
What's a white berry?
I I don't know, probably poisonous.
Alright, so we're gonna order this and then we're gonna go grab a seat inside. And don't come for us in the comment section. I know we actually had dinner, but whatever, it's Disney. Rules don't apply here. Alright guys, there she is in all of her glory. Go ahead and give her a spin. So we see those blueberries and those strawberries in there. Pretty sure we've had those sprinkles at least once today already.
Yeah, absolutely. I think it's the same sprinkles.
Yeah, bulk order, right?
Yeah, bulk order. Yeah, Costco membership.
Yeah.
Yeah, so actually it was sitting up there waiting for me to come pick it up, and they had a cast member standing by ready. She was like super excited for whatever reason to put the whipped cream and the sprinkles on top. She's like fighting people, pushing them out of the way. No, I'll do it, I'll do it. So we got...
Like prime service.
Yeah, she was really excited to put the whipped cream on this one.
Well, that was awesome. Well, thank you, nice cast members, for being nice.
Yeah.
So.
Alright.
Let's do it again.
I mean, it looks good.
Yeah.
I can tell already it's very dense. Moist. You gotta get some of those berries in there for sure.
Yeah. I'm telling you guys, Lewis loves strawberry shortcake. And we go back and forth whether it's shortcake that he likes or angel food cake. For him, it's all shortcake, even though it's definitely not.
It's angel food cake, but I call it shortcake.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Actually, this is really good.
Yeah.
Personally, I think I make the best shortcake. Florida strawberry season is like none other. You get local strawberries in the wintertime, it's great.
Yeah.
This is pretty good. Not quite as good as mine, but pretty good.
Okay.
I think definitely better than the cake and the cookie that we had earlier.
Oh, really? Okay.
I would give this a solid 8.
Nice. All right,
Yeah.
so 6 for the ice cream, a 7 for the hot dog, and an 8 for the...
I think I give it 8 for the hot dog.
All right, so let's try the hot dog. All right, good to know.
Get this and the hot dog.
You're set.
Good 4th of July.
Yeah. Yeah, seriously, what is more 4th of July than like a hot dog and like strawberry shortcake?
Yeah.
Like and fireworks, which we're not going to see because we came a day early, but that's fine.
We'll watch the normal fireworks.
Yeah,
We'll pretend.
Yeah.
Pretend it's red, white, and blue.
Okay, that's fair. That's fair.
Alright, so Christine's gonna give it a shot here. I'll tell you what, I think it's delicious. Even through this camera lens, like, man, I want to just eat it up. Lots of sugar too. I know, like you can feel the sugar in your teeth.
Yeah. Probably could do without the sprinkles, but all in all, really, really, really good. I do like this more than the ice cream sandwich.
Yeah, definitely better than the ice cream sandwich.
And I think this was $6. I think that one was like 5 something. So maybe they were the same price. I'll check and I'll let you guys know which one's.
Oh yeah, actually this was cheaper. Yeah, this was 6. The ice cream sandwich was 7, wasn't it?
I'll check and I'll let you guys know here. Okay. Which one was more affordable. So.
Alright. What's that?
I'm not sharing.
Alright, well this strawberry shortcake is going quick. So fast, in fact, I think I have to revise my score. I think I'm going to give this a 9. It's really good. I really like it. I think it's better than the hot dog even. The hot dog was good, but if that wasn't like a Chicago dog, if it was maybe one of the other, like the mac and cheese dog, that would be better. But granted, it's a Chicago dog. Christine's looking at me like I'm crazy right now.
You are a little crazy right now, but...
You don't think this is a 9?
No, I'm just surprised you typically don't improve your scores on things.
Miss, I'm not sharing.
I mean, hey, I think it's great. But what's interesting is for somebody who says they like savory over sweet, and I will cut that clip where you literally said that like 10 minutes ago.
Yeah.
I'm surprised you have.
Alright, I could go for another hot dog too.
Alright guys, we're outside the Pinocchio Village house. And over there, did you guys notice? There's Figaro, and we'll walk around and get a better picture of it, but I've never noticed that before, so it's fun to see cool things like that.
Figaro!
Do you remember though, Figaro, do you remember the movie?
No.
You don't? Okay, well.
We're walking the wrong way.
Well, that's fine, but okay. It's really cool as a pass holder, being able to find little things like that that you didn't know before, so yeah, it's a good day. I like that. I mean, definitely not culturally appropriate for 2022, but I always thought the cat was cute. Alright guys, so we're in the Main Street Confectionery, and they do have some like 4th of July inspired apples, red, white, and blue apples. They do have some Rice Krispie treats here. Let's see what else they got. It looks like they do have a cake pop there. Spitting chocolate, that looks lovely.
They put this glass here for a reason.
Yeah, so don't knock on it because Catherine was in there.
Free samples.
Yeah. Alright guys, so that was the Main Street Confectionery. I guess that's really it. So, yeah, that's all we got.
So not much in the confectionery.
Yeah, unfortunately, but
not much in the park, really.
Yeah,
a little
so
disappointing. 4th of July does not get the respect it deserves. It's one of my favorite holidays. We need to live it up.
now I bet if we were to go over to Epcot, probably in the American Pavilion, there might be something there. Maybe. It's probably just the park hop, so probably not going to do that. But we did see on the internet that the Hollywood Studios does have a couple of things there too. So yeah, but overall, here we are.
All right, so 4th of July is one of my favorite holidays. I think it's one of the perfect holidays because there's not a whole lot of pressure and stress and everything that goes along with like Christmas or Thanksgiving. It's just a holiday, get together, watch some fireworks, eat some hot dogs, drink some beer if that's your thing. It's really like the perfect holiday. No stress, no nothing. Just show up, watch the fireworks, eat hot dogs, have a good time. Alright guys, well that's all the 4th of July treats that they had today here in Magic Kingdom. Not really a whole lot, but just a couple of them. So we think we tried everything. Comment down below if you think we missed anything. But yeah, so here's your pro tips. I'd say number one is if you're coming for the 4th of July fireworks, they do only happen on the 3rd and the 4th. If you come every other night, you'll get the regular fireworks show. So if you want to see just the special 4th of July fireworks, be sure to come on the 3rd or 4th. Number two is don't pass on the strawberry shortcake because I think that was probably the best treat I've had here at Disney in a while. I really like that one. And pro tip number three is if you're going to get a hot dog from Casey's, be sure to get a fork because those things are a mess and you'll ruin your shirt. That's going to do it for us today. Remember, like, share, comment, subscribe. Let us know in the comments below what you think of the treats we had today. I thought they were all pretty great. And we'll see you next weekend. I'm ready. I don't know, you have to put this before.
Yeah, I know. I know how everything works, honey. No napkins, no spoons, nothing. Just we're gonna bite into ice cream.
Going live.
Okay, fair. Just don't get anything on your shirt because remember, we have to take the intro. Like green. Oh, it's not focusing. Why isn't it focusing?
I feel like I got something like flying around my head.
Not anymore.
Not anymore?
Not anymore.